I hope you enjoy your nap.
Yo, man, tired, yeah, man.
Everything is going just as planned. She can neither see me nor hear me.
In the year 2040, the Elohim Council and all the elements of the universe has combined together to create a new breed of humans.
Now you've heard of mutants, superhumans, even mega-humans. Well, the story's about Chosen. A chosen set of people with remarkable powers and abilities.
This is the year 2040, and this is my story.
Can I help you? Please allow me to walk you through the advanced setting of the M5100-inch television.
You look like a totally different person from who was in this place yesterday.
The blue triangular
I didn't know you were
buttons
still
pointing
up.
up and
Furthermore,
down are the
not
volume
smoking.
and the
I'm
yellow
telling
are the
you,
channel
that to no
operators.
baby.
There are 3 sets
Them
of
thing
menu
be a
keys
killer.
that will
Plus
allow
I have a
you
lot
better
looking
setting
for.
in the future. Are you still there?
Brenton, you think you can sit in at the club for me tomorrow night? I'm a bit exhausted after tonight's event. Come now, Brenton, I really need
Alright,
this.
alright.
Okay, I'm going up to bed. I feel like I'm gonna sleep all day and all night tomorrow.
I sense Uganda's negativity on this human, just as he planned it. You were the one Uganda found trying to run from him at the Kabul Peninsula, a prison to beings like us. I might not be as powerful as Ugan, but I have the power of influence in this realm.
Yeah, I damage this, you know. And you know, we never unwilling, you know. So for the help with Thanksgiving. Yo, no chance. Cheer. I know something when me do regular. But me I tell you before my life in, you know. And if me never tell you front of your face, Me a text it it pan your cellular. Give thanks to the friends who there for me. Give thanks to the friends who care. Give thanks to the friends who there for me. Real friends not sell out, no. Give thanks to the friends who there for me. Give thanks to the friends who care. Give thanks to the friends who there for me. Real friends not sell out, no. Me not go lie, more time, me not no rhyme. And my friend chip in with 2 line. We mad, no lie, make the song full of vibe. Cake a axe how the melody so nice. Give thanks for your links when they make it in life. The same one will help you forget it in life. Not through your broke out or brokeness. To your friend they bring the negative vibe. Give thanks to the friends who there for me. Give thanks to the friends who care. Give thanks to the friends who there for me. Real friends not sell out, no. Give thanks to the friends who there for me. Give thanks to the friends who care. Give thanks to the friends who there for me. Real friends not sell out, no. Don't bite from the hands them will feed ya. When the belly full, don't get greedy. Before me forget, don't have regrets. So don't burn the bridge when they leave. Give thanks for your links when they make it in life. The same one will help you forget it in life. Not through your broke out or promise. To your friend they bring the negative vibe. Give thanks to the friends who there for me. Give thanks to the friends who care. Give thanks to the friends who there for me. Real friends not sell out, no. Give thanks to the friends who there for me. Give thanks to the friends who care. Give thanks to the friends who there for me. Real friends not sell out.
Y'all have enough prizes?
As mayor of Sun City to award Mr. Zamer Cross the sum of $1.5 million for his heroic activities over the past week. We thank you.
Very good job, son. Very good job. We need to see more people like you in our society. Oh, Sinifa, they know from when I want to work
I'm
with
glad you came out of that tussle alive. Thanks, but it was my civil duty. I couldn't stand by and watch them do what they wanted to do with that young girl. Well, thanks to you, they're now behind bars, and the rest of their gangs are being rounded up as we speak. But I must stress that you leave the police work to the police, or I will throw you behind bars with the rest of Blackheart's men. I have no problem with that, as long as the police stay up on top of things and do them job.
Good day, detective.
Excuse us, detective, but we have to go.
No word from Burke yet. I can't believe the man just run from him job like that.
The man was abducted, I said. I don't have any proof yet, but I know it.
Abducted by who, brother? There was no sign of struggle in the car. And his prints were on the car door, suggesting that he left by his own free will. No other prints were on the vehicle other than your one. You even performed a one-man search, kicking down doors for 4 days, looking for Burke's kidnapper.
Now go look for that girl in the lane. You mean the one we are run the cook shop? Don't go sleep, you know.
But I know, you saw in a dream. Hunter, Burke is gone.
Jamaica, your satellite is online.
amazing how the sun has so much influence on our earth. It is responsible for even the rain. The sun's rays dive deep into our oceans and heat up the waters. The water vapors now rises from the sea and form clouds. Those same water vapors fall back as rain to replenish our rivers and lakes. The water then washes back down into the sea. It's a constant cycle. But did you know there are only 3% of fresh water on Earth? We have to take care of what we have. Though humanity needs houses and buildings for future development, but the earth needs its trees. Because without the trees, this rainfall you see today would be converted to acid by the sun's radiation. Of your prison in the Cocoon Peninsula. I suspected that after the birth of the Red Sun, no, after 1,000 years of peace, you want to wage war, demon. I am not here to fight you, Guardian. A wise decision. The name is The Guardian. Now tell me, why else you'd have me stand up in the rain out there so I get wet now, can? I am here to give you a warning of prophecy. A danger that is imminent, that will threaten the entire humanity. And me to believe that all of a sudden you turn humanitarian, a fool you take man for. The entity has declared destruction on this earth. By training your new pupil, you will in turn release a weapon more dangerous than 10 nuclear blasts. You don't know the dangers that faces you in training Zema Cross.
Zema, why you look so worried? Nobody make Detective Hunter spoil you.
No, it's not that. I got a dream the other day I'm trying to work out into my head. Something about I was chosen. But for what?
Probably that's all it was, just a dream.
No. There's more than that. There are more things going on that disobeys the laws of physics. And I need to
I'm
find
telling you
out
the difference
what it
between
is.
me and Superman.
I'm sure things will reveal
We
itself.
save dead people in a real life. Yo, anything when me got, tell them my money buy that. My money buy the chain and the color socks. My money buy that. My money, me no phone, you can't give me no chat. My money buy that. My money, and no girl can come give me no chat. If I love me, pay for that. Well, alright. In a God sight we work feet, yeah we work feet, and we not in a nothing dirty. And if a girl want some, she have to work feet. Feed the money, yeah, she have to earn it. Me say cash rule everything, yeah. So if you have none, better you go search feet. Determinate and have urge feet. If I not the money, yo, just purge it. Make me tell you why the rich I get rich and the poor I get poor. Cause this, the poor ones have it and give. While the rich never did. Every get a youth, me say stay positive. Don't make your mind straight to the negative. Me say me need $1 billion. For me friends, imagine when me need for me relative. Trillion, anything when me got, tell them my money buy that. My money.
Babes, man, go run in and check them guys on the site. We're fixing up a house to rent. We soon come. How me defeat them boy the last week? Them boy that was 2 times my size. Especially the steel jaw one day.
How me do that?
Free young man. Hi Zema. Hi Pat. The government, I got money the other day. What happened to the rest of my money, Bridget? No, Dragon, let me done the fool, you know. Nah, go easy with him. Violet. Deal with him. Oh no. Rot, you know, fire reach the man. You saw me just in the hand? Don't make me use it on you. Uh-oh. Time to die. Okay, I'll give you another chance. We can walk out of here and just call it quits.
What you talk about? And I saw we do it in a bridging.
Dragon, how Violet take so long? I want to go on out there, sir. pants. One thing me have to tell you. Stop dirty up Jamaica.
Okay.
No, how this thing work? For real? Are you name Karate Georgie? The boy in the dragon. You know see my boy like a him named JP.